Hi friends, I'm Ida from Shiftex, and today I'm going to show you some brand new functionality that we call Loop. Looping in Shiftex lets you go back to repeat or retry a step, reference, or a split in your flow. Let me show you. Here we have a flow. This is actually the start of our customer onboarding here at Shiftex. It starts off with the customer receiving a welcoming email with information on how to register their Shiftex workspace. If the user understands the email and registers their workspace, they live on happily ever after as Shiftex users. They get a new email with customer success showing them the help center. But if they do not register their account and activate their workspace after the first email, something else has to happen. So I've added a step here that says that the customer will receive an email reminder, and then it kind of goes on. So what a lot of you have actually been asking for here is some sort of loop functionality that we've actually made right now. So what I can do now is I can click loop, and I can decide where I want the step to go back to. So I'm saying that after receiving this email reminder, I want it to loop back to the split. And then you can see that there is a loop created and it goes back to the split, and then hopefully after receiving this reminder, the user then activates their account and their workspace and goes into the nice user bracket of Shiftex. So this is how you can use the new functionality Loop in Shiftex.